Glass is everywhere around us. We drink from it, we look through it, we touch it every single day without thinking about it. But glass is not found in nature the way we use it. It has to be made, and the process turns something ordinary into something extraordinary. Today on Made Simple, we're breaking down how glass is made in 7 simple and clear steps. Glass starts with sand, but not just any sand. Factories use silica sand because it contains a very high amount of silicon dioxide. This sand is extremely fine and clean. Any dirt, clay, or metal can affect the final glass. That's why the sand is washed and filtered before it is used. Next, soda ash is added. Soda ash lowers the melting point of the sand. Without it, the furnace would need much more energy to melt the sand. Limestone is added last. Its job is to strengthen the glass and help it resist water and chemicals. All 3 materials are measured carefully. The exact recipe matters because even small mistakes can weaken the glass or change its color. Once mixed, the materials are fed into a massive industrial furnace. These furnaces run day and night, rarely shutting down. The temperature inside rises above 1000 degrees Celsius. At this heat, the sand loses its solid form. The grains break down and melt together. The mixture becomes molten glass. It glows bright orange and moves slowly like thick syrup. As it melts, trapped air and impurities rises to the surface. These are removed to keep the glass clear. This step is critical for making smooth, transparent glass. Before shaping, the molten glass must be refined. This step improves consistency and removes remaining bubbles. The glass is gently stirred and held at a steady temperature. This allows gases to escape and the mixture to become uniform. If this step is rushed, the final product may contain distortion or weak points. Proper refining ensures the glass behaves the same throughout the entire batch. Now, the molten glass is ready to be formed. The method used depends on what the glass will become. For bottles and containers, air is blown into the hot glass. This creates hollow shapes with smooth walls. For window glass, the molten glass is poured onto molten metal. It spreads evenly and forms a perfectly flat surface. For tableware and specialty items, molds shape the glass into precise designs. At this stage, timing is critical. The glass must be shaped while it is hot and flexible. After shaping, the glass is still fragile. Cooling it too quickly can cause cracks or internal stress. To prevent this, the glass enters long temperature control tunnels. These tunnels gradually reduce the heat over time. The slow cooling process allows the glass to relax and stabilize. It improves strength and durability. By the time the glass exits the tunnel, it is solid and safe to handle. Once cooled, the glass is inspected. Machines scan for bubbles, cracks, or weak spots. Some glass is cut to size. Some is polished for clarity, others are treated with coating to improve strength or heat resistance. Only glass that meets strict standards moves forward. Defective pieces are recycled and melted again. Finished glass is carefully packed. Protective materials prevent scratches or breakage. The glass is then shipped to factories, construction sites, and stores. From there it becomes windows, bottles, screens, and more. What started as sand is now part of everyday life. And that's how glass is made, a simple process carefully controlled from start to finish. If you enjoy learning how everyday things are made, subscribe to Made Simple. Clear explanation, no confusion. Thanks for watching.